Find or read reviews that people are talking about Makhoon upgrade pool pressure side sweeper with feed hose. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Efficient cleaning. The Makhoon pool pressure side sweeper is designed to work longer and cover more ground, providing thorough and efficient cleaning of your pool. If the machine cannot clean the entire pool, please adjust the jet power direction to suit your pool. 4-wheel structure. The machine adopts a 4-wheel design to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Note: need a second booster pump is required to operate. Improved reinforcement. We have strengthened the connection between the wheels and the body, enlarged the size of the collection bag opening, which can effectively prevent clogging, and also increased the overall sturdiness of the body. Versatile. Installing in a threaded 1-1/2-inch female pipe fitting, just to adjust feed hose to fit pool length, suitable for a variety of pool sizes, this cleaner can effectively clean in-ground pools. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.